PT Tricks UPSC Prelims Guest Paper, trusted by hundreds of our toppers.
Chapter 1. Current Mapping of India and World.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू दोज हु आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. आप सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं एंड यू ऑल आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन. सिंस लास्ट 18 years we are providing good guidance, teaching, learning to thousands of students and making the prelims examination easy for them. This video is bilingual in nature, that means it is in both English and Hindi. So both type of viewers and our students from South India and North India will get the benefit. Prelims are very easy, but we are making it hard because of sometime misguidance, lack of concentration about the topics which UPSC is asking. Even somehow we are lethargic in nature. So at the final strategy and the final, that is a go, those who are very sincere, these videos are highly important, and we feel in Aspire that you people will share it to those who are in a need, and it's a chain reaction which will generate the awareness and the good knowledge among all. So here we are introducing the PT Tricks 2026-27. We initiated this particular batch before 10 years with Sarthi mentorship programs, and today for upcoming 40 days, we are providing you all the subjects and associated prelim pointers, and after the exam, you will tell me yourself how many questions you will get. We are estimating around 20 to 25 questions you will get from these lectures, and these lectures are only for 4 to 5 to 6 minutes maximum. The same material we are providing over the Telegram channel by the same name, PT Tricks 2026-27, so it is easy for you to catch our channel and get the PDF and various type of notes related to upcoming preliminary examination in the May 2026. So let's begin this PT Tricks with a very important, that's a topic that is a current mapping which you are searching, and some geographical PT bits. Around 20 lectures will come regarding this which you will people will watch. So let's begin. So we all are knowing that right now the Israel-Palestine-Iran war, USA-Palestine are in the news. So we are doing some critical analysis about that. So let's begin. If you are drawing Israel, it is looking like this. So first there is a need that you should understand what exactly is a Israel. Here is a Mediterranean Sea. Open your maps, Orient Longman Black Swan, and watch it one by one. If you see the Mediterranean Sea, there is Israel. Then here, there is one fundamental geostrategic location by the name of Sinai Peninsula, which is a part of Egypt. So please mark it Egypt. And on the one side of this canal, I will use different colors to provide you insight. It is a Suez Canal. And here it is Gulf of Aqaba. And then these two gulfs are meeting in the zone Red Sea. That's why red pen, Red Sea. So the first question which the examiner interested is Israel is having the border with Red Sea? Yes. Israel is having the border with the Red Sea through Gulf of Aqaba. This is the first important thing you people should remember always. On the other side of Sinai Peninsula, Suez Canal, and this Gulf of Suez is connected with the Red Sea. This is the first question you people should remember, that Israel is having the boundary with both Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. This is our Israel. On the northern border, second question is Lebanon. Then on the northwest border, it is Syria. Here is a Jordan. And here is our Egypt. So these all are the countries which is having the prominent border with the Israel. Now Israel, 1967, Arab Wars, Sykes-Picot Agreement, Balfour Agreement, UK established the Israel. And then there is a fight between the two religions, the Jews and the Islam, and how it has been crafted, and there are so many that is issues regarding the territory. So here is a mapping. We are not providing much IR analysis, but later I will do it 100%. तो आप लोगों को बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा in the future, okay? Then what are the area which is under the dispute? So one area is near to the Mediterranean Sea, and this area is known as Gaza Strip. Another area is on the Jordan, which is a very big area, which is known as West Bank. Then there is a capital, Jerusalem, East and West Jerusalem, because it is a location where three religions took place: Jews, Islam and Christianity. These three religions originated from this. Al-Aqsa Mosque is also located under this location. Apart from that, one more location is under the news in this area. It is Sea of Galilee. Sea of Galilee. This Sea of Galilee is also known as that Tibersia. And it is a fresh water. ये आ सकता है. And here is a strategic plateau, and this plateau is known as Golan Heights, which is a dispute with Syria, that is Israel versus Syria. These three are the dispute between Israel versus Palestine. So these are the things you should remember regarding the basics of Israel-Palestine issue. And it is very important. Now we are moving towards some other important dimension. Israel is mainly a desert location. So here is one of the major desert by the name of Negev Desert. Now we all are knowing that here is a sea route via Suez, which is over congested. So before few years, Israel planned to provide the alternative sea route, which is guiding from Gulf of Aqaba, and then it is moving through Negev Desert and then entering into Mediterranean Sea. And this canal is known as Ben Gurion Canal, name on the former president of, that is Israel, Ben Gurion Canal. Ben Gurion Canal. So this is again important, Ben Gurion Canal, Gulf of Aqaba and this thing. Then Israel and Jordan, there is one important disputed sea by the name of Dead Sea. It is the lowest point over the earth. Sea level से बहुत नीचे, it is the lowest point and it is a natural boundary between Israel and Jordan. तो ये Israel और Jordan के बीच में natural boundary है. Even it is the end of Great African Rift Valley. Great African Rift Valley का ये end है. तो what we learned एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं, हाथ ऊपर करके. This is Israel, Lebanon, one of the terrorist organization Hezbollah is working here, representing that is the Iran and Shias. Shia के साइड में आपका सीरिया, गोलान हाइट्स, अरब वार. Israel took it because it is a region strategic for Iron Dome missile system, launching of missile towards enemy nations like Iran. Even Sea of Galilee and Tibersia as a fresh water source because this is a desert region. Then Jordan and Israel, that is our Dead Sea, lowest point. Then Gulf of Aqaba, Negev Desert, Ben Gurion Canal, Gaza Strip, West Bank, Jerusalem, East Jerusalem, disputed between Israel and Palestine. And one side is Sinai Peninsula, Suez Canal route. And one of the most important port is Haifa, which is also the part of India, Middle East European Economic Corridor. As well as this Haifa is also the major refinery industrial cluster of Israel. Plus one more coastal location, Tel Aviv. This Tel Aviv is the scientific capital of Israel. Israel is master country regarding science and technology, research and development, cyber security. Pegasus issue in India is mainly belong to Israel only. So Tel Aviv and USA transferred their capital before 2-3 years. The peace process and then Abraham Accord from Tel Aviv toward Jerusalem. USA become the first state to transfer their capital. So my dear students, these are some of the basic, and I believe you people remembered it and even revised it. Then we people crafted some of the important locations for you that you people will understand in a very good manner. So these are the important part regarding the Israel-Palestine related places for UPSC, and one by one we will understand it. If you see, this is the first important slide which is associated with the Israel and other cities. First is Tel Aviv, जो मैंने आपको बताया पोर्ट सिटी, मिसाइल थ्रेट्स एंड डिप्लोमेसी के लिए न्यूज में रहा, एंड इजराइल इकोनॉमिक हब ऑन द मेडिटेरेनियन कोस्ट, तो इट इज अ कोस्टल सिटी. Then Haifa, one of the major port, refinery, northern coast, and it is a major energy port in north of Israel, and it is a part of Middle East, European economic corridor. So again, these are the location which is very, very important in the news. Then desert, Israel is a desert because of various factors. This factor I am written here for your revision, very quick revision. These factors are: number one, offshore winds, cold current within the Mediterranean resulting into high pressure. High pressure means subsidence of air, anticyclonic conditions, all are resulting into formation of desert. That's why Israel is a desert, and we can also say that Israel and India are the natural partner because of this geographical location. Here the name of the deserts are Dimona and Negev desert. इसी नागेव डेजर्ट पर इजराइल डेवलप फर्स्ट सोलर थर्मल पावर प्लांट बाय द नेम ऑफ अशलहम. अशलहम, नार्निया मूवी देखी होगी, उसमें अशलम नाम का एक राजा होता है, शेर, उसी नाम पर अशलहम. अभी तक आपने सोलर फोटो वोल्टिक सेल एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन सुना होगा, बट दिस इज अ सोलर थर्मल पावर प्लांट. वी आर यूजिंग द सोलर एनर्जी फॉर थर्मल रेडिएशंस. एंड हियर इज डिमोना, इजराइल डेजर्ट, लिंक टू इजराइल न्यूक्लियर कॉम्प्लेक्स, एंड इट इज अ न्यूक्लियर जियोपॉलिटिक्स, इसलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है डिमोना. And second is Negev desert, where I told you Ben Gurion canal idea. Ben Gurion, the overall head of the Israel. It is the alternative trade route for Swiss. तो आपका मल्टीपल टाइम रिवीजन हो रहा है. एंड बैन गुरियन कैनाल इज प्रपोज्ड ओनली, अभी तक ये बिल्ट नहीं हुआ है. तो टुडे वी आर डूइंग ओनली दिस मच. टुमारो वी विल फर्दर इंटीग्रेट मोर लोकेशंस फ्रॉम इजराइल. थैंक यू सो मच. इफ यू लाइक इट, प्रमोट इट, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, इवन सब्सक्राइब इट. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. खुश रहिए.